This video provides 10 detailed tips to help you excel in IELTS Writing Task 2. Whether you're aiming for a high band score or looking to improve your essay writing skills, these step-by-step tips will guide you through planning, structuring, and writing your essay effectively. This video covers everything from understanding the question to writing a clear introduction, supporting your arguments, and managing your time. What you'll learn: how to understand the IELTS Writing Task 2 question. How to plan and structure your essay. Tips for writing strong introductions and conclusions. How to develop balanced arguments. Key grammar and vocabulary tips for success. Stay tuned for more IELTS tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel IELTS with Sam Adam for more helpful content. Here are 10 detailed tips for IELTS Writing Task 2, explained step by step to help you perform well. Tip number 1. Understand the question. Before you start writing, carefully read and understand the question. IELTS Writing Task 2 can ask you to discuss both views and give your opinion. Agree or disagree with a statement. Discuss problems and provide solutions. Explain causes and effects. Firstly, identify the keywords, main topic, and action words, what you need to do. Secondly, make sure you answer all parts of the question, whether it's discussing views, problems, or solutions. Tip number 2. Plan your answer. Spend 5 minutes planning before you start writing. A clear plan will help you organize your thoughts and ensure you answer the question fully. First, brainstorm ideas related to the topic. Second, choose a structure, typically a 4-paragraph structure: introduction, 2 body paragraphs, conclusion. Third, outline key points you want to mention in each paragraph. Tip number 3. Write a clear introduction. Your introduction should clearly introduce the topic and outline your position, or the points you'll cover in the essay. First, paraphrase the question, restate the question in your own words to show you understand the topic. Second, state your thesis. Clearly state your opinion, or the main points you will discuss. For example, while some believe that learning online is more beneficial, others argue that traditional classroom education is superior. This essay will discuss both perspectives and explain why I believe a combination of both approaches is the most effective. Tip number 4. Use topic sentences. Each paragraph should begin with a clear topic sentence that introduces the main idea of the paragraph. In the first sentence, introduce the main idea of the paragraph, e.g., one of the main advantages of online learning is its flexibility. In the supporting sentences, follow the topic sentence with evidence, explanations, or examples. Ensure cohesion. Connect ideas smoothly using linking words like however, therefore, or in addition. Tip number 5. Develop your ideas. Expand on your topic sentences with detailed explanations, examples, or reasons to support your argument. First, provide explanations. Clarify your point with reasoning. Second, use examples. Give specific, relevant examples to back up your argument, e.g., for instance, many professionals find it easier to pursue further education through online courses. Third, stay relevant. Ensure every sentence relates directly to the main topic of the paragraph. Tip number 6. Present balanced arguments. If the question asks you to discuss both views or multiple sides of an issue, present balanced and fair arguments for each side. Present one side. Start with the view you do not necessarily agree with, giving reasons and examples. Present your view. In the next body paragraph, present your perspective and argue why it's stronger or more valid. Acknowledge counterarguments. Even in persuasive essays, mentioning opposing viewpoints shows critical thinking. Tip number 7. Use linking words and phrases. Good use of linking words and phrases helps your essay flow smoothly, and shows clear connections between ideas. Use addition words, moreover, furthermore, in addition. Use contrast words, however, on the other hand, although. Use conclusion words, in conclusion, to sum up, overall. Example, in addition to flexibility, online learning is also cost-effective, which makes it accessible to a wider range of people. Tip number 8. Write a strong conclusion. Your conclusion should summarize your key points and restate your opinion, or the main point of the essay. Restate your thesis, rephrase your position, or the main argument of your essay. Summarize key points. Briefly recap the key points from the body paragraphs. Avoid introducing new ideas. Keep the focus on wrapping up your argument. For example, in conclusion, while traditional classroom education has its benefits, the flexibility and accessibility of online learning make it a more practical choice for many. Tip number 9. Manage your time. You have 40 minutes to complete task 2, so managing your time is essential. Spend 5 minutes planning your essay, brainstorming ideas and outlining. Spend 30 minutes writing the essay, 3 to 5 minutes for the introduction, 10 minutes per body paragraph, and 2 to 3 minutes for the conclusion. Spend the last 5 minutes proofreading to correct any grammar or spelling mistakes. Tip number 10. Check your grammar, spelling, and vocabulary. Before submitting your essay, take a few minutes to proofread for mistakes in grammar, spelling, and vocabulary. Check subject-verb agreement. Ensure your verbs agree with their subjects. Correct punctuation. Ensure commas, periods, and other punctuation marks are correctly placed. Vary your vocabulary. Avoid repeating the same words. Use synonyms and more precise terms. Check spelling. Look out for common spelling mistakes and typos. By following these tips step by step, you will be able to write a well-structured, cohesive, and strong essay for IELTS Writing Task 2. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.